Situation Room. I'm your host, Greg Cottingham. The situation today, Cedar Bayou, an inlet through Matagorda Island that connects Mesquite Bay to the Gulf of Mexico. The inlet, which was closed in 1979 to prevent the Ixtoc oil spill from reaching the Texas mainland, is slated to be reopened. Supporters look to Packery Channel as an example. Reopening of the channel resulted in increased density of important species. Similarly, Cedar Bayou will provide migration routes, nursery habitat for fish, increasing biodiversity, and ecological stability to Mesquite Bay region. Local fishermen will fall hook, line, and sinker for increased fish densities. To all the birders, don't get your feathers ruffled. There's something for you too. The last wild migrating whooping cranes in the world use Cedar Bayou to obtain blue crabs for food. You'll be able to better enjoy one of the only areas in the country where the whooping cranes will overwinter. Hunters, no need to go shooting off at the mouth. Restoring Cedar Bayou will also bring water to wetlands that are currently dry. This increased wetland is expected to increase duck populations within the area, and with it, increase permit sales. Not a bad time to be a business owner in the area, but what exactly does the public think about the project?
Right. So, what are the economic benefits from opening Cedar Bayou?
The economic benefits are going to be felt both locally and in the area from fishermen and fishermen, of course, using the area because of the added ecological benefits, and also birders will be using the area. It's expected from the permit that whooping cranes will actually start using the area as well, and then there's a whole thriving tourism industry there in that area that will be using the area.
Okay. You mentioned ecological benefits. Why is opening Cedar Bayou important?
Opening Cedar Bayou is important basically because of the simple ecological concept known as estuarine ocean coupling. It's the proximity of the Gulf waters, the spawning waters of a lot of finfish, shrimp, and crabs, of course, and its closeness to this proximity to the nursery areas, the seagrass beds that are right inside, the oyster reefs that are right inside are important for juvenile fish, crabs, and shrimp to grow up and become part of a blossoming ecosystem. Many of the other passes up and down the Texas coast are very wide and very deep, and they're not very close to seagrass areas and oyster areas. But Cedar Bayou, right inside the mouth, is an extensive seagrass lagoon that, of course, the closer you get, the better, habitat you get, the closer it is.
So you would agree that opening Cedar Bayou is a good idea?
Opening the Cedar Bayou is a very good idea, mostly because of the ecological benefits, of course, the economic benefits, and the proximity to fishing grounds. Tarpon was historically a fish that was known to hang out in the area. It was basically due to the exchange through Cedar Bayou. Of course, freshwater inflow is a whole different question altogether, but it's expected that opening the pass will accentuate fisheries like tarpon fisheries.
Are there any potential drawbacks to opening Cedar Bayou?
The only potential drawback that I could see is of course, the price tag. $8 million is a lot of money, but as far as land ownership issues or any of that, I really don't see any drawback to opening Cedar Bayou. Dig it.
CCA has a long history of supporting recreational fishermen. How does the CCA plan to incorporate an open Cedar Bayou into the support?
CCA is very, of course, dedicated to this project, to that end. We've donated $600,000, countless hours for grant writing, and obviously a lot of support with the local politicians, government agencies, because we know the benefits we know that there will be huge benefits to opening Cedar Bayou.
Can I ask you for one favor?
Okay.
Can you say dredge, dredge, baby for me?
Yeah, dredge, dredge, baby.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it, folks. It's not a bad time to be a rapper either. A new rap sensation, Dredge Dredge Baby, is breaking record sales. Let's take a look.
Corpus, C. Let's stretch it.
Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby.
The mouth blocked, no water is flowing. Open up, get velocity going. Something that affects everybody. Those folks at Ixtoc sure were naughty.
Will it ever work?
Yo, I think so. Give me a dredge and it'll flow. 2 meters deep, full of seagrass meadows. Find habitat if you were fish that's larval.
Swim.
Away from predation, juvenile nectin don't like confrontation.
Nursery form.
It's a popular species, out of your mind if you think they don't need these. Do it or lose it, sand don't play. Better get started before too late. It's a current problem, let's resolve it. Send a donation so you say can solve it.
Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Well, the winter is coming. Strong north wind cranes, winds are pumping. Last wild whooping cranes left in the nation. Eat blue crabs after long migration. Catching them, even though they're nimble. Bulk of their diet is just that simple. Drums of the sand flash, catch them as you drift past. Should I keep them? No, just throw them back trawling. With the dogs drop low, catching more shrimp than a year ago. Shrimpers on standby, waiting for the low tide. Did you see them? Yeah, there's all kinds. Wetlands are really important. Hard to done cause all the development. They're almost gone, yo. So it's up to me and you to save Cedar Bayou. You won't believe all the ducks you'll be seeing. Making more money from hunters you'll be meeting. Checking out the red sunrise. Got a 12 gauge on the migration. Long-time sportsman won't pay for the thrill. You know hunting does more than kill. Pocket full of shotgun shells. Dogs working over mesquite-based wells. Falling in the decoys real fast. Numbers are higher than they were in the past. Shoulder to shoulder, the jetties are packed. Everyone's excited because the fish came back. Sharks on the scene, you know what I mean? Bringing back biodiversity. It's current problem, so let's resolve it. Send a donation so use case can solve it. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby.
Take heed to my bio poet. Bio's on the scene just in case you didn't know it. This town that lives off each waste town. Commercial fishermen can catch more now. Caused by petroleum spill. Cover you can see and feel. Studied and plan, restore health and inlet. We'll make it happen if you step with this.
We really want fish, not talking about beta. Field studies is bringing in data so fast. Fish nerds say damn, incorporate into management plan.
Keeping systems healthy for me and you. Mesmerized by success at Cedar Bayou. It's current problem, let's resolve it. Send a donation so you can solve it.
Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby. Stretch, baby.
Yo, let's get out of here. Time to restore another one.